am Ajane Smith, and this is a Monday Morsel. One of the most common questions we receive at Smith Dominguez is, should I get guardianship over a person? Or what's a power of attorney? So today in this short video, I'm just going to explain the difference between the two. In most cases, a power of attorney is what you're looking for. A power of attorney is a document that's signed by the principal, who is the person who is going to need help from an agent. The agent is usually a spouse, a child, a friend, someone who's trusted, who will act on the principal's behalf. A power of attorney can be durable, which means that it's immediate, and it goes until the life of the principal ends. And then a power of attorney is very customizable. It can be about healthcare decisions, financial decisions, or even whether you're going to buy a house or give gifts. A power of attorney is pretty cheap. It's going to differ based on the needs of the person, but they usually are just in the couple of hundreds of dollars range. Now, guardianship is going to be the most restrictive option. There's such thing as a limited guardianship, which most courts, if a guardianship is deemed to be necessary, that's what they're going to want a person to apply for, versus a regular guardianship, which is usually called a general guardianship. A general guardianship will require that the petitioner, the person who's asking to be guardian of a ward, who is the person who is losing some rights in this instance, the petitioner has to deem, as the court, the clerk, to deem that the person is incapable of handling their own affairs. This requires that the petitioner gives notice to the ward, and that the ward is able to have an attorney, usually a guardian ad litem attorney, represent them because they're losing their rights. As it sounds, you hear it's kind of more complicated. It takes longer and it's more costly. Ultimately, you should always look for the least restrictive means. If a guardian is trying to make sure that the ward is able to retain rights, they're more than likely looking for a power of attorney. Now, guardianship can run into the thousands because it is a legal proceeding and legal process. Eventually, a ward can try to get their rights back and to eliminate the guardianship, but once again, that's another legal process. When you're thinking of the two things, you have to decide. Do you want someone to retain their rights, or are they in a place where they need to lose rights? Usually you want a power of attorney, and as long as the person has the right capacity, a power of attorney is usually what you want. If you have questions about the difference and what may be best in your situation, you can give us a call or reach out to us at www.smithdominguez.com, and we're more than happy to help.